How to add review stars under the product title on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can display review stars under the product title. So if we take our sample product over here and I want to display product stars over here, we're going to do that step by step. And I'll show you guys how you can insert reviews, insert a review widget, and much more. So let's get into it. Now, adding review stars at the bottom of your product title can help you in building more trust and establishing your product, because a lot of times people always flock to the reviews before they get into the details of a product, and having the product reviews inserted directly over here can be a bit overwhelming. So displaying just a few stars over here can be a great way for customers to be able to see that your product is of good quality and is something that they should purchase. So to do this, we're going to head on over to our Shopify dashboard. Once we head on over to our Shopify dashboard, we're going to click on settings on the bottom left, and then we're going to click on apps and sales channels on the bottom left. Once you do that, click on the Shopify App Store on the top right. Now, once you open up the Shopify App Store, just go into the search bar over here and search for Judge Me. So Judge Me is an application that enables you to create review widgets and review stars onto your Shopify products. And you're going to download the first application, which is called Judge Me Product Reviews. It is built specifically for Shopify, and you're going to click on install over here. Once you click on install, this will open up your installation page on Shopify. So you're going to click on install application once more. Once you do that, you're going to set up Judge Me. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to enable it. So we're going to click on start setup over here. And on the left panel, I just like to pin this. And once you have pinned this, you're going to click on enable app embed over here. And we're just going to enable it over here. So on the top left, you will see the application. This has been enabled. Now, once this has been activated, you're going to go into your next step over here, which is going to be installing the review widget. So just click on install review widget, and this will reopen it in the Shopify theme customizer. Just click on save over here as you go, and then just click on next step over here. And once you click on your next step, you can just proceed with the preview badge and just add the preview badge and click on save on the top right. So just clicking on save on the top right, we're going to click on finish. Now, sometimes it can take, a few minutes for Judge Me to be able to integrate and sync up with all of your products. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our online store and we're going to go into the themes. Now, after that, you're going to click on Customize on your active theme on Shopify. Open up any product page. So we're going to go into our product section and go into any product. So once you open up any product, what you're going to do is on the bottom. So if you scroll to the bottom left, you will see all of the different applications or sections that have been created. Now, I like to delete, all of the empty or excess application sections, so I don't require those, so I just delete those. Now, after that, I want to add my review section on the bottom and adding my stars on the right side over here. So I want them to be displayed right under the title, which is sample t-shirt. So to do that, we're gonna click on add block under product information. So on the left panel over here within your product, just scroll down, and in your template section under product information. So if this is closed up, simply go into the product information, open this up, and then just scroll down. And then on the bottom, you have the option to add a block. So you're going to click on add block over here. And then you will have multiple different types of blocks, but we're looking for our stars. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to see star ratings. So you're going to click on star ratings over here. Now this will add star ratings to the bottom of the product. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on star ratings and then you're going to move it up right below the first text section. So this will move the star ratings right below your first text section. Now this is currently not showing up because Judge Me is still syncing up, but now it has synced up, and what we're going to do is once you can actually see your product, you guys can see below our first text. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll it down to right below the title section. So as you guys can see, Now our star ratings are present directly below our title. Once you have positioned it in the place that you like, we can integrate the detailed reviews at the bottom. So below like our buy now button, let's say I want to insert our product reviews. So to do that, from the left panel, you're going to scroll down. And then what you're going to do is click on add block and then click on review widget. Now, once you click on add block and review widget, it would be added on the right panel. Now, I don't like this formatting because this makes the review section really elongated. I like to keep it in a landscape mode. So I like to delete this and just click on add section on the bottom, then click on applications, click on review widget. Now this will insert your review widget below your related products. So to move this above, just click on the app section on the left panel and move it above related products. Now after that, your reviews will be added and your stars will be added under the title of your Shopify product. Once you have completed this, click on save on the top right and your changes will be saved. So if we exit our store over here and click on online store just to preview our store, now let's open up this product, and currently it's not synced up, but we're just going to refresh for our products to be synced up, making sure our products are synced up because we want our star display to be added to all of our products. So you guys can see the star reviews have been added into our product, and you can move across any product just to make sure that all of that is added into every product. Usually if you add it to your default product, it will be added to all of the products that are formatted the same way. So you're going to find it to be present in your product whether or not you've added it or not. Now it's not present in this particular product, so I can go back into my online store, click on customize on my theme, and once I do that, I can go on ahead and open up a particular product. So let's open up, not this one. Let's say we want to add this to maybe like this product over here. If it's not showing up on any particular product, you can just open up that specific product. And because these products have been, added from a third-party website, they are not, as correctly formatted as they should be. So what we're going to do is, now you guys can see now this has been inserted, and we're going to click on save to make sure that all of our new changes have been saved into the Shopify store. Now you can preview it once again to make sure that all of the products that you have, just sample a couple of them after a few minutes to make sure that your products do have star ratings. Now you guys can see on the bottom, the customer reviews are empty. Obviously, with more reviews that you get, the more your Shopify store is going to look more elaborate. So you can add any comments you want, whatever you might want, like this. You're gonna submit a review like this, and after that, once your Judge Me reviews have been submitted, you can choose to add certain reviews or remove certain reviews. If you go into the Manage Reviews section on Judge Me, you will be able to see all of the reviews that have been added, and you can click on Publish, and you can choose to insert certain reviews or remove them if you choose so. So I have published these reviews, so these would be available on my store. And then the star ratings are going to be displayed once you have more than one review. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.